Hi, I'm Paul Wheaton, and I recently completed my 7th Kickstarter about permaculture stuff. This Kickstarter was for people that like pizza, cake, cookies, spaghetti-flavored cake, bread, muffins, turkey, pie, or anything baked in an oven. People concerned about the environment are trying to find ways to dramatically reduce their use of electricity or natural gas, and taking a long, hard look at cooking. For folks keen on zero waste, how about turning your yard waste into pizza or cookies? For people living off-grid, it's hard to wander outside and harvest a bit of propane, electricity, or natural gas. Years ago, people were keen on cob ovens. Cob ovens are for outdoor use only, generate a huge amount of smoke, waste wood, and take about 3 hours to warm up. Then came the double chamber cob oven. Much better, but still uses a lot of fuel and takes hours to heat up. In 2014, I hosted a Rocket Mass Heater Innovators event. One guy, Tim Barker, was from Australia, where heat wasn't a big concern. His innovations surrounded using the rocket core for indoor cooking in hot water. The first year he was here, he built a rocket oven, griddle, and hot water heater. Each year he came, he built an improved rocket oven, because that's what folks kept asking for. Tim's rocket oven ran extremely clean, used very little wood, and was fully heated in 15 minutes. We videoed all of the builds. Eventually, another appropriate technology expert came and worked on the rocket oven designs with Tim, Tyler Morrison. Together, they came up with a design that could be built with just a few simple tools and zero welding. Their focus was on something that doesn't require a lot of skill to build, and the materials cost would be kept very low. This mission was to create a DVD about rocket ovens. The first half shows past builds and design decisions. The second half is a detailed how-to for the latest design. The editing is now complete. We just needed that Kickstarter bump to get the last bits of movie magic and printing covered.